Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my online video classes. This is your Jessica ma'am once again here with a new lesson from your grammar book, lesson number 7, and the lesson's name is Adjectives. Adjectives. We have already learned about adjectives in our previous classes that adjectives are the words that describe or identify or further define a noun or a pronoun. So my dears, these adjectives are of several types. They are adjectives of quality, quantity, numbers, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. So first of all, let us come to adjectives of quality. What do you mean by adjectives of quality? Adjectives of quality are the answers the question what kind in relation to the nouns. They tell us about the shape, size, color or special quality of the noun. Example, the hot sun burned our skin. A huge car stopped outside my house. We sat in the open veranda and sipped hot tea from blue cups. The adjectives like sun, car, veranda, tea and cups possess. They are adjectives of quality. Let's come to the second form of adjective, that is adjectives of quantity. What do you mean by this? Adjectives of quantity tell us how much of something there is. They are used with uncountable nouns. Example, there is some coffee in the jar. There is little food in the fridge. The adjectives some and little describe the quantity of the nouns coffee and food. So my dears, the words like some, much, may, enough and little are some other common adjectives of quantity. Now let's see the third form of adjectives. It is adjectives of numbers. What do you mean by this? Adjectives of number tell us how many persons, animals or things are there. They also tell us about the position of a noun in a series. They are used with countable nouns. Let's see example. Example number 1. There are several roses on the bush. Example number 2. 5 cats ran into the backyard. And example number 3 is the second car in the row is mine. Now let's see the adjectives several and 5 describe the number of the nouns roses and cats. Whereas the adjective second describes the position of the noun car in a series. Fourth form of adjective is demonstrative adjectives. What do you mean by this? Demonstrative adjectives point to and indicate a specific person, a place, or an animal, or a thing. They are this, that, these, and those. Sometimes this and that are used for singular nouns, whereas those and these are used for plural nouns. Now let's see the example. Number 1. This egg is rotten. Number 2. That tree has shed all its leaves. Number 3. Those boys are my friends. Number 4. These tomatoes are ripe. Here what we see is the adjective this, that, these, those point out which nouns are being talked about in these sentences. See the fifth form of adjective. It is possessive adjectives. What do you mean by this? Possessive adjectives show ownership or the relationship between two nouns. A possessive adjective answers question whose. Example, number 1, is this your book? Number 2, she is my friend. Number 3, Aman is her brother. Number 4, the bird spread its wings and flew away. The adjectives your, my, her, and its show to whom something belongs or the relationship between two nouns. They are possessive adjectives. Also, the words my, your, his, her, their, are, and its are used as possessive adjectives. So my dears, let's come to the last and the sixth form of the adjective, that is interrogative adjectives. What do you mean by interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. They are which, what, and whose. Example, number 1, whose bag is this? Number 2, what problems are you facing in this chapter? Number 3, which house is hers? One thing again you have to note is which, what, and whose functions as adjectives only when they are followed by a noun. Example, what work does he do? It's an adjective. What is the time now? It's not an adjective. So my dears, I hope you all understood today's lesson about adjectives. That is, adjectives are the words that describe or identify or further define a noun or a pronoun. And we have learned about 6 kinds of adjectives, that is adjectives of quality. Number 2, adjectives of quantity. Number 3, adjectives of number. Number 4, demonstrative adjectives. Number 5, possessive adjectives. And number 6, interrogative adjectives. Hope you all understood the lesson well. See you all in our next lesson. Till then, do take care of yourself, be at home and be safe. Thank you.